which the Supreme Court has upheld. So I don't think it's a legal issue as much as it is a policy issue. But I think it's fairly widely accepted that by adding a level of compulsion, and I think our first speaker did a good job of pointing out that how compulsory they are is really fairly questionable, but it does reduce parental autonomy. On the flip side, exemptions to the law increase parental autonomy, but they also come at a price, and that price is that by allowing exemptions, especially if they're easy to get, you have more parents that are vaccinating their children, and that creates risk to other children, children that are too young to be vaccinated, as Paul mentioned in California, children that can't be vaccinated for medical reasons, and some children that are vaccinated